Hello class 6, I am your English teacher Ashok here with new video for you. In the previous video I had discussed the chapter Tarot's Reward, and today I will discuss the questions answer of this chapter Tarot's Reward. So let us see the questions. So these are the textual questions which are given in your book also. So you can see the questions there. Question number 1. Why did Tarot run in the direction of the stream? This question's answer can be found in para number 5. How did Tarot's father show his happiness after drinking sake? This question's answer can be found in para number 7. Why did the waterfall give Taro sake and others water? This question's answer will be there in para number 12. You can find there. Why did the villagers want to drown Taro? This can be found in para number 10 and 11. So why did the emperor reward Taro? This is the question number 5, and this question's answer can be found in para number 13. What I will tell you the answers of these questions. See in the next slide. Taro ran in the direction of the stream because he could not remember ever seeing or hearing a rushing stream in that part of the forest, and he was thirsty. You can write this answer if you have not written yet. Alternately, if you have written already, then leave it. After drinking sake, Taro's father stopped shivering and showed his happiness by doing a little dance in the middle of the floor. This is the question number 2's answer. You can write this. Taro was a thoughtful son who honored and obeyed his parents while the others were greedy. This is why the waterfall gave Taro sake and others water only. So this question's answer is there. Question number 3's answer is this. So you can write the answer in your notebooks. The villagers wanted to drown Taro because they thought he had tricked them. This is the answer of question number 4. You can write in your notebooks. Taro honored and obeyed his parents, so the emperor rewarded him. And this is the answer of 5th question. You can write as it is in your notebooks. See the next activity or exercise. Mark the right item. Taro earned very little money because, and 3 options are there. He didn't work hard enough. The villagers didn't need wood. The price of wood was very low. So as per the understanding of the story, we can say that the 3rd option is the right option. The price of wood was very low. So it is the answer. It is written in red ink to identify. So you can write this as an answer. Taro decided to earn extra money to live a more comfortable life, to buy his old father some sake, to repair the cracks in the hut. So as per the story, 2nd option is the right option. You can write it as your answer in your notebooks. The neighbor left Taro's hut in a hurry because she was delighted with the drink. She was astonished to hear Taro's story. She wanted to tell the whole village about the waterfall. So as per the understanding of the story, we can say the 3rd option is the right option. So you can write this as answer in your notebooks also. Now see, strike off the words in the box below that are not suitable. Taro wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. This shows that he was. Answer can be written in the next slide. Taro wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. This shows that he was thoughtful, loving, considerate, and kind. Other words are not applicable here, so this is the answer of this question. Now let us see the next question. This made Taro sadder than ever. This refers to a strong wind that began to blow Taro's father's old age, Taro's inability to pay expensive sake for his father. So 3rd option is the right option. You can write it as your answer in the notebooks. This, said the emperor, was to encourage all children to honor and obey their parents. This refers to The second option, rewarding Taro with gold and giving the fountain his name. Arrange the words below in pairs that rhyme. Young and lung, money and sunny. These are the rhyming word. Young and lung, they are matching in rhyme. So you have to write the same way all the words which are rhyming with each other. So let us see the next slide. Answers are given here. Young, lung, sad, wad, money, sunny, chop, stop, last, fast, wax, axe, good, wood, sound, round, way, day. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. So here are some words which are given there. You have to find words from here and fix here in these blanks appropriately which are needed here. So let us see the answers of this question in the next slide. A young woodcutter lived on a lonely hillside. He was a thoughtful son who worked hard but earned little money. One day he saw a beautiful waterfall hidden behind a rock. He tasted the water and found it delicious. So young, lonely, thoughtful, hard, little, beautiful, delicious. These are the words which are required in these uh, blanks. Find these sentences in the story and fill in the blanks. This made Taro. One word is to be given there, like sadder is the word. He decided to work harder than before. Next morning, Taro jumped out of bed earlier than usual. He began to chop even faster. Next morning, Taro started for work even earlier than the morning before. So these words are required here. See the next where you can find the answer. This made Taro sadder than ever. He decided to work harder than before. Next morning, Taro jumped out of bed earlier than usually. He began to chop even faster. Next morning, Taro started for work even earlier than the morning before. So these are the answer. You can write these answer in your notebooks. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.